Meet Connecteam Directory, your company's digital phone book. Let your employees easily find and reach exactly who they're looking for, straight from the app. Make coworkers, clients, and vendors instantly accessible, depending on your visibility preferences. With this automated and always up-to-date contact list, you can say goodbye for good to manually deleting or editing contacts. Keep your data secure. Take full control over your directory visibility by deciding which users have access to which contacts and details. In addition, our directory allows you to protect your contacts' information by ensuring everything is kept within the company. So, whenever someone leaves the organization, they are automatically removed from the platform and lose all access to sensitive information. Stop searching, start finding. With our robust search bar, users can search for contact details based not only on names, but on different personal details such as team and department. You can even create your own custom fields to search. Once the contact is found, users can reach out directly from the app. Your one-stop shop for business contacts. Start adding your external contacts, such as clients and suppliers, to a dedicated contact list in the directory so your employees can easily find their updated details and notes and contact them directly from the app. Connecteam.